how to select a PDF and open it for read write for Google. First step, click on the PDF that you want. Go over to your right hand side, you'll see paperclip, sharing icon, preview button, trash, and these three dots here says more actions. Click on that, go down to open with, and on the left side you'll see a list of apps and extensions that you can choose from. Go down to read write for Google, click on that. That'll open up read write for Google PDF viewer. Now the best part about this is with digital documents that are downloaded from the internet. For example, these books were downloaded from Reading A to Z. It reads a PDF really well. For worksheets, it's not as great, and I'll record a video later to show you how to operate that. So to listen to thing, all you do is select the words you want read, press this triangle that says speak, as you see, it'll read everything else thereafter, so you want to make sure you hit stop. As I scroll down, now I come to the actual text, or let's say that we want to read words to know. Sometimes it gets crazy when it highlights, so we have to be careful about how we highlight. And it highlights everything, so we don't want to do that. The main idea is we want to highlight just the text. So here where it says introduction, I'm just going to highlight this part. And I'm going to go up and press play. Also, this in the settings, I've set it some of the features. For example, collect highlights, collect vocabulary, English. The voice here is set as Ava. I prefer Tom. Speed of the reading, fast, medium, slow. Depends on the level of processing. Some other features, we have study skills. This right here is our study skills. So let's say that we get to a vocabulary word that we aren't certain about. For example, thunderous. Not sure what that means. I'm going to click on the dictionary and a pop-up. And even if I want to read the dictionary, it allows us the text-to-speech option there. Also, we can highlight our vocabulary words, just like we can in the other program. We can add text. And right here, I'm going to make a note. A loud noise. And in case you couldn't hear me speak, I can hit the text-to-speech. We check on it, and the note is left there. Other features, we have click to speak. This will read everything. As you see, I don't have to highlight the text. It reads everything from where I place the cursor, the first spot. This has the collecting highlights of this thunderous word. If I press that, it'll collect all the words that I highlighted. And also, Allows me to choose the color so teachers can share documents and highlight vocabulary words, and then the students can go back and collect all the vocabulary words together into one document. Annotations, similar to the text. I can make a little, and I want to write. And I want to write a little bit more about Thunderous. I can type in there. It allows us to add even more text just with that push pin. We want to print something out. Excuse me. And it prepares it. We're not going to do that. I have to keep going up to the stop button to click off this so it won't keep saying everything. So let's click on this. But I have to click off that. Just hitting the stop button isn't enough. So that's it for how to use ReadWrite for Google in a PDF.